Hello, assalamu alaikum and welcome back. So in this video we are going to learn about test design technique with respect to ISTQB. So let's start. So test design technique is mainly divided into two types, static and dynamic. In static we don't need to execute our code, and in dynamic we are going to execute, or execution is must for dynamic. So static design techniques are further divided into reviews and static analysis. And in reviews we have informal reviews. In informal reviews we don't need to follow any specific or rigid process. And then inspection is the most formal review, and we need to follow all 6 phases of the formal review. Then we have technical reviews and the walkthroughs. In walkthroughs, walkthrough is varies between informal to most formal, depend on the participants what they want to achieve through walkthroughs. Then we have static analysis. In static analysis we have code metrics, and we use psychrometric complexity for that. Then we have control flow. In control flow we need uh, to capture, or we need to have some best practices to check in code or in the documents. Then we have data flow, okay, how your data is flow from your entire code. And mainly there are 3 types of data flow: undefined reference, reference undefined, and double define or define. uh, Stay tuned for the detailed video on each topics. I already created video on boundary value analysis with equivalence class partitioning. Don't forget to watch this video. Then we have dynamic design technique. In dynamic design technique we have the structure based, which is the white box testing. Then experience based, uh, as you can see by its name, for this testing the experience is must. Then we have specification based. So in dynamic there are these 3 type of testing: is specification based, experience based, and specification based. Specification based mean all testing present inside specification based must have some document or specification as the starting point. So in structure based, since it is a white box technique, then we need to test the statements, branches or decisions, and conditions and multiple conditions. So this is actually white box. Then experience based we have error guessing and exploratory testing. The error guessing is the structured technique, and the exploratory testing is a time box testing. Then specification based we have the boundary value analysis, equivalence class partitioning, the state transition, use cases, and decision table. So these are test design technique and their subtypes, and hope you will understand the entire breakdown. I will create the separate video on each topic. So thank you for your time. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Allah Hafiz.